Welcome to the students of accountancy class 12. Very good morning to all of you. Here Abdul Qayyum Quraishi, lecturer commerce, Government Boys Higher Secondary School, Magam, Batpora, Handwara, district of Wara. Today we are going to discuss question number 8 of chapter 6 and our topic is admission of a partner. Let's see the question first. Mukesh, Preeti and Rajni are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:3:2. They admit Sunil in the firm. Calculate sacrificing ratio in the following cases if the new profit sharing ratio is agreed as A 2:2:3:1, B 3:2:3:1, C 4:3:2:2. Let's solve case first. Case A first. Yes, our partners are Mukesh, Preeti and Rajni. They share the profits in the ratio of 3:3:2. That means our old ratio is equal to 3:3:2. Here I want to explain this profit sharing ratio with the help of an example. Let's have a pizza. Let me divide this pizza into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We have 3 partners here, that's Mukesh, Preeti and Rajni. Out of these 8 equal pieces of the pizza, let's give 3 equal parts to this Mukesh, that's 1, 2 and 3, and 3 equal parts to Preeti and 2 equal parts pieces to Rajni. See, my dear students, I have divided this pizza into 8 equal parts. I gave 3 equal parts to pieces to Mukesh, 3 equal pieces out of these 8 pieces to Preeti, and out of these 8 pieces, 2 pieces to Rajni. This means we are sharing this pizza in the ratio 3:3:2 here among 3 partners, that is Mukesh, Preeti and Rajni. I think you would have understood this sharing ratio of the pizza very clearly. And here we can have Mukesh equal to 3 pieces out of 8, that means 3/8. Preeti equal to 3 out of 8, that means 3/8. And Rajni equal to 2 out of 8, that means 2/8. Mukesh gets 3 out of 8, means 3/8. Preeti also gets 3 pieces out of 8 pieces, that means 3/8, and Rajni 2/8. My students, let's proceed ahead to solve the question. We have another thing here. This is old ratio and we have new ratio. Sunil is a new partner. Let me write Sunil is new partner. And after admitting Sunil in the firm, we have the different ratio here, new ratio, that is in case A, new ratio is equal to Mukesh is to Preeti is to Rajini is to this Sunil, which is given here 2 is to 2 is to 3 is to 1, which is equal to 2 is to 2 is to 3 is to 1. Here Mukesh, Preeti, Rajni and Sunil can have different shares, other shares. Now Mukesh is equal to here 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1, that is 8. Mukesh equal to 2 out of 8, 2 by 8. Preeti equal to 2 by 8. Rajini equal to 3 by 8. And this Sunil is equal to 1 by 8. This is old ratio and this is new ratio of the partners 1 by 1. Now we have to solve the question. We can solve the question. The question says, by the question what we have to find out? We have to find out the sacrificing ratio. Yes, we know that sacrificing ratio, this is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Let's find out the sacrificing ratio of each partner systematically. That is, Mukesh's sacrifice is equal to Mukesh's old ratio, that's 3 by 8 here, minus Mukesh's new ratio, that's 2 by 8. Taking 8 as LCM, this is 3 minus 2 by 8, which is equal to 1 by 8. Again, Preeti's sacrifice, which is equal to Preeti's old ratio 3 by 8 minus Preeti's new ratio 2 by 8. Same results. 3 minus 2 by 8, same results. 1 by 8, same results. Now Rajini's sacrifice, which is equal to Rajini's old share, that is 2 by 8, minus Rajini's new share, that is 3 by 8, which is equal to 2 minus 3 by 8, which is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1 by 8. Here we are getting the negative result. We can find out the sacrificing ratio of only 3 partners, that is the old partners, Mukesh, Preeti and Rajini. Yes, we have calculated it, but the results came positive and negative. When the sacrificing ratio is positive, that means the partner is sacrificing. Here it is sacrifice. This partner also is sacrificing. Mukesh gives us the plus result. That means Mukesh is sacrificing. Preeti gives the plus result. That means Preeti is sacrificing. But Rajini is giving the negative result. That means Rajini is gaining. This is not sacrifice. It is gain here because the result is negative. It means only 2 partners are sacrificing among the old 3 partners, that is Mukesh and Preeti. So, therefore, we can write here sacrificing ratio, this is equal to Mukesh is to Preeti, not Rajini, because Rajini is gaining, which is equal to 1 by 8 is to 1 by 8, that's equal to 1 is to 1. They are sacrificing Mukesh and Preeti are sacrificing equally here. But what about Rajini? Rajini is gaining. Rajini is gaining by 1/8 share. 1/8 share. This is all for today. And another case is B. 3:2:3:1, 4:3:2:1. Dear students, I will come back and we will solve the other two parts of this question. You can take the screenshot of this question so that this will help you in practicing the question in future. Okay, thank you.